Today's subject is a 92 Chevy 1500. Start by loosening the petcock located on the driver's side and drain the coolant. Remove the upper radiator hose, clamps, and vacuum line attached to the fan shroud. Remove the upper overflow hose and heater hose. Remove the transmission cooler line fittings. Remove the lower radiator hose and clamps. Remove 3 screws and washers on the upper fan shroud. Halfway down the fan shroud are 4 more screws that need removal, 2 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. Remove the upper fan shroud cover. Remove the radiator. Due to the increased cooling capacity of our cold case radiator, we need to replace these rubber isolators with a thinner material. To prepare for the new radiator, install the upper and lower radiator hoses and clamps to the engine. To ensure there are no leaks, wrap some Teflon tape around the petcock and tighten it up. Drop in your new cold case radiator. Not only is this radiator an upgrade in performance, it's an upgrade in looks too. Test the fitment of the fan shroud cover. You'll see the shroud is sticking up too high. Due to the larger cooling capacity and increased thickness of the cold case radiator, we must trim the fan shroud for proper fitment. Draw your cut lines around the cap. We are also going to trim the lip of the upper and lower fan shroud all around. Then, we'll touch it up and remove the leftover burrs and reinstall the lower portion of the shroud. Install the upper and lower transmission cooler lines, followed by the lower radiator hose. Be sure the transmission cooler lines are lined up correctly before tightening. Reinstall the upper fan shroud. Reinstall the fan shroud screws. Reinstall the rad hoses and clamps. Double check that everything is tight and make sure the petcock is closed. Fill the radiator with coolant. Upgrade the looks of your new radiator by adding our optional radiator cap cover. Lastly, start the truck and keep an eye on the temperature. Check the description below for product links and get your ride cold case cooled today.